Hey everyone, it's Dawn here. Like things are kind of stressful and I've been kind of depressed and stressed lately. And then it's like a lot of hard work and labor intensive and stuff like that. And just had a moment of lightness and I wanted to share it with you. So, one of the easier things to fix is the previous owners, they had replaced all the light bulby thingies with white light, LED lights, but they're white. And I hate white. I hate white painted cars. I hate white, anything white. I just hate white. So I want warm, 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 warm. So, I know it's a stupid little thing, but yeah, so it's white LEDs across everywhere. Let's see. Can you see white LEDs? Okay. So I don't want that. I want warm. So I was trying to figure out how to do that, and it turns out I can't buy these. I can't buy the LED bulb replacements in warm. It seems to only come in white. So that sucks. So I mentioned it to Roger, and he had this idea, which was to use a highlighter and paint the actual LEDs. And it's such a funky thing, right? Like, I would never have thought of that. And when he said it, I was like, no. But I went ahead and tried it, and oh my gosh. You want to see? Let me see. Okay, look at that light. Now, he said to try a yellow highlighter, and I tried the yellow, and it didn't seem like it would do much, so I put on orange after that, and now it looks kind of pinkish, but you know what? It's not white, and it's warmer than white, so I'm digging it. So you know what I'm going to be doing? I'm going to pull out all of these LED light bulbs, and I'm going to paint them all. And it's going to be wonderful. All right, so let me, let's see. So that is the stock one, and that is the painted one. Sorry, I can't do this. So you see the difference? Let me turn the light back on. Look at that. That's crazy, but I do like it a whole lot more than the white. So I'm going to be doing that, but right now, all right, enough of fun and games. We got to focus. We have an Onan generator to get up and running. Challenges. They won't ship me fuel filter and fuel pump because I'm in California. And I guess these are illegal parts to come to California. So, I can get a carburetor sent to me, but I'm going to try some other things first and see because the fuel pump is like $350, and the fuel filter, I forgot how much that was, but it was close to $100. So these are big bucks. I could go to Amazon and get the cheapo stuff, but there's very mixed reviews about that. Some people have great luck with them, and some people do not, and they said that they're just pure junk. And so anyways, next project, and that one's gonna be a doozy. Is that the right word? All right, thanks for joining me, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.